To replace the upper crisper shelf glass in your refrigerator, first remove the two upper bins. Next, detach the shelf support, then slide out the shelf assembly. Remove the old glass if still intact. Be aware, if you're replacing the lower crisper shelf glass, you will need to remove all four bins and both shelf supports before sliding out the shelf assembly. Install the new shelf glass by positioning it on the shelf. Slide the shelf assembly into place in the refrigerator. Reposition the support or supports, and replace the bins as necessary.